And one more important theory is Vesper theory. What is Vesper theory? Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. This is Vesper theory. This is simple theory only based on this also. This also explaining the geometry of the molecules based on the repulsions. Based on the repulsion. The name itself saying valence shell, last shell, valence shell, last shell, electron pairs. Electron pairs are there. They are going to repel. How they are going to repel? They are trying to. How they are making a molecule? How they are deciding the geometry? By adjusting the distance where around central atom at the center, atoms are around the central atom. After making a bond, after bond formation, they are adjusting. How they are adjusting? With maximum distance. They are maintaining maximum distance with what? Minimum repulsion. This is the important point here. They are adjusting their distance in the space around the central atom in such a way where they are getting maximum distance and minimum repulsion. Then only that structure is going to exist. Then only that molecule will be stable. And here the important point will be, what is the important point here? It is talking about repulsions, no? Electron pair repulsions, no? Electron pair repulsion, no? So that lone pair repulsions are more than, lone pair bond pair is more than bond pair repulsions. Bond pairs are in a bond. They are under the control of the nucleus of the two atoms. And here lone pair is not under control. This lone pair is occupying free space. Space is more for a lone pair. For a bond pair, there is a limited space. They are under the control of the nucleus. That is why they can repel. Lone pairs can repel more than bond pair and a bond pair. This is what Vesper theory. This is describing the geometry of the molecules. And the other theory. What we are going to talk about is the last theory. This is molecular orbital theory. Very simple. Molecular orbital theory. Molecules are forming. How the molecules are forming? By atoms. In atoms, atomic orbitals are there. Some atomic orbitals are there. They are combinedly forming molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals forming means what is that? When a molecule forming means two atoms. Atom having a nucleus. This atom having a nucleus. They are combining, trying to make a molecule. In the molecule, what is that? Now the molecule will be formed means in that molecule not one nucleus, more than one nucleus will be there, and electrons combinedly will be there. This atom electrons combinedly will be there, and the two nucleus will be there. All the electrons under this two nucleus. If 3 atoms are participate means 3 nucleus. If 4 atoms are participate means 4 nucleus. Like that. So if their bond is, then they are forming a bond having certain energy. When the bond is forming, some amount of energy released outside. If more amount of energy released outside means the bond will be very, very strong. And always bonds with lower energy, bonds with less energy are stable. We know that. Bond with less energy is more stable. Whenever one bond is forming, the bond is having less energy means that bond is stable bond. Whenever this atom is coming, they are combinedly forming molecular orbital. Molecular orbital forming means, molecule forming means there is a bonds. That bonds may be higher energy, that bonds may be lower energy. Lower energy bonds are stable one. Higher energy bonds are not stable one. Okay. That two we are going to study in two ways. If higher energy orbital molecular orbital are called as non-bonding molecular orbital. These are bonding molecular orbitals. Non-bonding molecular orbitals, bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, non-bonding is exactly they are not combining. They are coming very near. Their potential energy is more, so they are unstable. So there is no bond. We can say exactly speaking, there is no bond. But atoms are coming near. They are maintaining a distance. Potential energy is more. Bond is unstable. Here bonding. They are coming at a certain distance where they are getting a minimum potential energy. They are combining. They are having a lower energy. So that bonding is takes place. Molecular orbitals are forming. This one we are going to denote as a. This is bonding. B. These are all psi anti-bonding. Psi anti-bonding. This is bonding and that is anti-bonding. Psi B means bonding. Psi A means anti-bonding. Bonding. This is not bonding. This is our anti-bonding. These are all anti-bonding. So that what we are learning now. Orbitals are combinedly giving molecular orbitals based on the energy. These are anti-bonding molecular orbitals, bonding molecular orbitals. Bonding molecular orbitals having less energy, anti-bonding molecular orbitals are having more energy. Now we have to make a list here. That S orbital. S orbitals are forming means S bonding, S anti-bonding. Like that. Keep on P orbital means P bonding and P anti-bonding. So there is a list. That list how I am writing is, see here, up to 14 electrons. I will write like this. After 14 electrons I will write like this. See, I will write. I am giving a trick here. It is my way of study. Here, this is like this. Triangle by triangle up to 14 electrons. Triangle below other triangle. This is after 14 electrons. See, first I will write a list here. See this. Here what happened is, I will write a molecular orbital diagram for one thing. What is that? Complete molecular orbital diagram I will write here. For what? I will write a molecular orbital diagram for N2, nitrogen. Here what is there is nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. S orbital, 1s orbital is there, 2s orbital is there, 2p atomic orbitals are there. Here what is forming? 1s. Here s orbitals are participating. They are making a bond like this. Again 2. This side one nitrogen, this side one nitrogen. Here, this side 2s, that side 2s. Making, they are also forming. Bonding and anti-bonding. This side P and that side P. They are also forming. What they are forming? They are also forming here bonding and anti-bonding orbitals. Here you see what is there is up to 4th I am following like this. That means this triangle is triangle. How the triangle I am writing here, see this like this. Here one, here. This is like a triangle. Above here one. Orbitals I am writing in such a way. Here one is here one bond here. They are all orbitals. Here how we know that? The S 1s. So that it is a 1s sigma star. Here what is the second one? 2s. This nitrogen 2s. What is forming? Sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Here what is that? P 2p. They are participating. They are forming bonding orbit. What is that? The names of this one? What is the names of this one? I am writing the names here. What is the name? Here 2px sigma 2px not sigma pi 2px pi 2py. This one will be sigma 2pz. Here also same thing here. What is pi star anti-bonding? Pi star 2px pi star 2p y. This is sigma star 2p z. You can take xy here, z here. Otherwise, you can take yz here, x here. That is no matter. Now come here. This is what energy levels. Energy levels, if you want, you can write it. It is lower, higher, higher, higher. That is, you can write in the order. 1s sigma less than 1s sigma star less than sigma 2s less than sigma star 2s less than, what is that? Less than pi 2p x is equal to pi 2py. Sigma pi 2py is equal to pi 2py. Next, sigma 2pz less than what? Pi star 2py is equal to pi star 2pz less than sigma star 2pz. This is the order up to 14 electrons. Up to 14 electrons. This order we can write here. This order we can write here. That's what I am writing. And how many? This nitrogen. This N2. This side one nitrogen. This side one nitrogen. Same nitrogen only. Same nitrogen only. How many electrons are there overall? How many electrons are there? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. In one nitrogen, 7 electrons are there. This side one nitrogen, that side one nitrogen. How many electrons are there overall? 14 electrons. Just I have to adjust this 14 electrons. How? According to our rules. Here, first electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, sixth electron, seventh electron, eighth electron, 9th, 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. We have to follow the off-Bohr rule. After filling of each orbital with single electron, then only pairing is going to take place. You have to follow the rules as such. There is no more exceptions here. As such. Okay. Now, what I can say, there is a formula now. There is a formula for here. This is important here. Bond order. Bond order means number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. Bonding electrons. What are the bonding electrons here? Observe. Bonding electron means down one is bonding, this is bonding, this is bonding, this is bonding. Upper one is anti-bonding, this is anti-bonding, this is anti-bonding, this is anti-bonding. First, number of bonding electrons. How many? 1, 2. Here, 3, 4. Here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Overall will be 10. Anti-bonding electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Here, nothing is there. So that 4 by 2. So that 6 by 2. That will be 3. So this is a bond order. Bond order means what? This side one nitrogen, that side one nitrogen. The number of bonds present in between these two nitrogens is called as bond order. I got the bond order by the formula, so that 3 bonds are there here. 3 bonds are there here. In a similar way, I also discussed about, we can also take the other molecules. See everybody. I can also take another molecule here. What is other molecules? That is O2, oxygen. Oxygen. How many electrons oxygen? 8 plus 8, 16 electrons. So it is a 16 electrons is more than 14 electrons. So what I have to follow? Not to triangle by triangle. I have to write like this. Only for remembering that one. So what I need? As it is. This two. I am not writing everything here. What I will write here? First, diagram I am not writing. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. So what is that? What you can write here? Sigma 2px, pi 2py, pi 2pz. It's like a, what is that? It's like a triangle. This is like a triangle. It's like a triangle. Like this, no? And here what is there? Pi star 2py, pi star 2pz. Here sigma star 2px. If you want to, you can write like this, like this. Diagram is not a matter for me. Diagram is not a matter for me. Here you can write. Here we can write. Not a problem. Here we can write. That is not a problem. Here what is there is, see that. How many electrons are coming? This side oxygen completely, this side oxygen completely. This is S, 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 2S. This is a P, 2P, 2P. Okay, I'm ready. Here 16 electrons are there. How to fill? Here, how to fill? 1, 2. Here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Over. 16 electrons. Here, once the filling is over, again, bond order formula. Number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. How many bonding electrons are there? 1, 2. How many bonding electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bonding electrons. Anti-bonding electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 2. 10 by 6, 4. 4 by 2, 2. 2 is a bond order. So that oxygen, what you can write? Oxygen, oxygen. Between oxygen, oxygen, how many bonds are there? 2 bonds. Because bond order is 2. And also, here, based on MOT, very, very important. Based on MOT only, we can say the number of unpaired electrons. Here, single electrons. Here, one single electron. Here, one single electron. This is called as unpaired electron. How many unpaired electrons are there? 2. If unpaired electron is there, means it is showing a paramagnetism. Paramagnetism. Like that only observe. Like that only observe. Here, what happened is, in case, what they are saying, in case they are saying O2 plus. Everybody observe. In case they are saying O2 plus. What I am writing? Observe like that only. O2 plus, O2 plus, O2 minus, O2 2 minus. Observe carefully. Here I am writing. What I am writing? I will talk about a bond order. Everybody observe. Bond order. What is the bond order here? O2 plus means plus means losing of one electron. That means 15. That means 15 electrons. Where the electron losing? Here. This electron is going to miss. This electron is going to mix from the normal oxygen. So one of the anti-bonding electron is going to reduce. Here this 6 will become 5. 10 minus 5 how much? 5 by 2. Here what is coming? 5 by 2. This will be 2.5. The bond order is 2.5. Oxygen bond order is 2. Okay. I am going for my regular oxygen. Here O2 2. Okay. O2 minus means 16 electrons. 1 minus charge means extra 1 electron. Overall 17 electrons. This time 17. This is for 16 electron diagram. 17 means extra 1 electron. It is coming here. Where it is? It is also increase in a where? Where it is increases? Anti-bonding only. No. Initially 6 is there. Now it will become 7. 10 minus 7, 3 by 8. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 by 2 will be like 1.5. Here the bond order will be 1.5. O2 minus 2. 2 minus. 2 means 2 electrons extra. 18. 18 means it will be 1 more electron here. Where? In anti-bonding. This 7 will become 8. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 8, 2. So that what is coming? 2 by 2, 1. Here the bond order will be 1. If they are asked, this will come in the examination. Very, 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 very important. For NEET or JEE it will come. What is that? Bond order. The bond order in the order. In the list. What is that? Bond order decreases. It is O2 plus more bond order than O2. Then O2 minus. Then O2 2 minus. Bond order increase means what about bond length? Bond order increase means bond length decreases. Always single bond. Whenever single bond is, it is a weak bond. Double bond, strong bond, bond length decreases. Triple bond length decreases, it will become strong. Already we discussed always piece of chalk, one lengthy chalk and a small chalk. Always which is having a less bond length, they are all strong one. Triple bond is strong, so that bond length is less. after the double bond. After that, single bond will come. If bond is strong, length is short, so that the bond length order will be reverse. What is that? O2 2 minus having single bond, no, so that more length than O2 minus than O2 plus. This is very, very important. Every time there will be a question. Every time there will be a question. You have to understand. You have to do this. This is what MOT, and we are going to discuss like this.